front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Start by launching your keyboard and tapping on microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, tap on this gear one. Select voice typing over here and click on this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back, click on no visible microphone and tap on while using the app in the pop-up. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!